Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. I'm not gonna waste much of your time. We go straight to the video. So as you can see, this is Euro USD on a daily time frame, and as you can see, the market is in a downtrend on the daily time frame. So if you're going to trade, it has to be with the trend, and actually this is a supply and demand setup, so I'm trying to follow the trend, and that's the best way to trade supply and demand. So in a downtrend, you look for supplies. In an uptrend, you look for demand zones. So now this is the market first gave us a break of structure. So you look out for break of structures. As you can see, the market took out the previous low, giving us a lower low. Then you have to wait for the market to retrace to a supply zone. So since it's not clear from the H1, the daily time frame, I go down to H4 to see how the zone looks like. So this whole area is the zone. Going down to H1, I might as well zoom out a little bit so that you can see. So now this whole area is a zone. So immediately the market tapped into the zone, we activated the sell limit, and the market went down. I also have the same setup on GBP USD. As you can see, this is the H1. Clearly there was a break of structure here, right? You can see, I hope you're seeing what I'm doing on the screen. A break of structure there. So the market took out this previous low, gave us a lower low. So since this is the H1 time frame, you won't see it clearly, but I'm going to go down to a smaller time frame. So first of all, it gave us a lower low somewhere by taking out the previous low, then retraced into this other block. So well, actually this is the H1. I found the other block on a smaller time frame. I think that was on the 15 minutes time frame. No, it was on the 5 minutes time frame. So yeah, this is it. Actually, first of all, I was on the 30 minutes time frame, and this whole area, let me draw that out so you can see. This whole area was the other block at first. That is the power of smaller time frame. You have to go down to smaller time frame to reduce the other block, so as to get a precise entry. By that, reducing the space of your stop loss. So now this whole area is the other block. So I'm actually waiting for the market to tap in and then activate the sell limit, right? So now if you go down to the 5 minutes time frame, you see that the zone is big. So imagine if the market had activated the sell limit from here, and then you put your stop loss above the block. So that would be some huge pips difference here. So you see that you have a big stop loss, then what you are targeting might not even be as big as this, as if you are scalping. So that is why you have to refine your entries. So I'm going to take out this big block now, because this whole area now from the 30 minutes was what I used for my the other block. So once you go down to the smaller time frame, you look out for just try to refine it. Now on seeing this, okay, let's take out the other block first. Now see how I was able to spot this. So you can see even on the smaller time frame, I also got a break of structure, because whenever the market approaches that zone, all you need to do is to go down to the smaller time frame to look out for break of structures, then a retracement to an order block. I mean, where you have your supply or demand, depending on the way the market is. So you see we have a break of structure here, right? Then the market went down, then came up to this zone. Let me zoom in so you can see. Do you see the red candle that I used as my order block? So we had a rally-based rally here, and then the market did not actually respect the rally-based rally, so the market went down. So on coming back to the zone, it has to respect it. So whenever you have a rally-based rally on the screen, and maybe the market like this market, as it was reversing, it was supposed to bounce from here and then go up somewhere. So, but it didn't really respect this. It just went down. That means on coming back to that place, it has to respect it. So that served as my refined order block now, coupled with the fact that this is the zone I'm looking at for a reversal, this whole zone. So now I just have to use the rally based rally that failed to push the market up. So the market went down, came back to the zone, and then I actually it didn't hit my sell limit, because it was actually not very close to where I put it. So the sell limit was around this area. You see the black line. So the market didn't get up to that zone. I didn't want to miss out on the trade, so I had to join from here. As you can see, the market has been selling since that time. So if I had wanted to join another one, this is another setup. Let me take out these lines first so that you can understand what I mean. So if I had missed out from here and I also wanted to join again, then I'm also going to take a trade from here, because we have another block from here. You see? So this is another block. The market went down and came up to this other block, the supply zone, then went down. So I will have taken another entry from here. So that's it. Now I have another nice setup on the screen. So I could have scalped this buy. That was why I put this trend line. But during the course of the video, I wasn't able to catch this one. So I actually expected the market to break this trend line. As you can see the trend line. So market will break the trend line and then retest the trend line and then go up. And that's exactly what the market is doing now. You see it clearly from the 1 minute time frame how it all happened. So this is the retest, then to the upside. So if I was going to take this trade, it was going to be just a scalping. So that's it for this video. Please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel if you are new to the channel, so that you won't miss out on these kind of setups.